Hello. We're gonna be doing some Subway Surfers. Alright, here we go. First game on. I'm gonna start posting almost daily, possibly if I can. Oh shit. Alright, that's not that good. That is really bad. Alright, well, that was just the warm-up. We're gonna do another one here. Don't worry, that was just the warm-up. Might seem bad, but... Alright, we're gonna do a series on Subway Surfers to see if I can beat my high score every time. I'm gonna do a video and see if I can beat my high score. I can't remember my high score, but I'm gonna start doing videos, see if I can one day. It's really high score though, so. Oh, shit. We'll see how high we can get on the top run. Let's how about we do that. That'll be way better. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got some random guy. Gotta be the stopper. Alright, I got that one. Here's another one. I'm using Tag God. I bought this one. It's like 15-ish, I think. 15 coins. Keys. Alright, well, so far we're doing pretty good. I'm going for money, but I'm trying to see how high I can get here on this 4-way. Another jetpack. Getting a lot of them. I think I got all those things on here. Double. Why don't you look at that? The magnet runs out. Oh no! Alright, well, we got pretty far, so that's gonna be the end of the first video. Oh, I got prizes. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, Ooh, here we go, some spray cans. And some money. We got a 68 score, 68,000. So that's gonna be our score to beat here. Okay, well, oh, I'm not connected to Facebook. That's crazy. Whatever, that's for a different video. Oh no! Alright, we got some ads popping up. Alright, so we got a high score of what is my high score? 68,000. So we're gonna try getting up to diamond. That's probably not possible, but it's a way. Alright, so we'll catch you in the next video for the grind on diamond. Bye-bye.